Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Fazlee from group B8. So today I'm going to run an experiment about first law of thermodynamics, and the law states that energy is always be conserved and it cannot be destroyed or created, but it can change from one form to another.
First of all, what we should have is a nail and aluminium can, and the last one is a thread, and the thread must be tied up to the upper part of the aluminium can, and then the center of the can we should make a hole by using a nail and make a hole opposite of it. Lastly, we have to fill up the can with the water through these holes for about 5 ml of water. After that, we are going to heat it on the stove and see the result.
The can was spinning because of the chemical energy from fire get conducted to the can, then conducted again to the water in it. When the water boils, hydrogen bond being broken so much in there. If the hydrogen bond being broken and the water get boils, the steam will come out through the holes. Finally, the can spin opposite to the off holes and form a mechanical energy.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm from group B8, and as a representative for this group that will explain to you guys about second law of thermodynamics. Okay, in this law, it states that the entropy of any isolated system is always increased. So as we know, the heat energy always flow from the high temperature to low temperature spontaneously. So from this law, we can prove that why physical process move in one way. For example, melting of ice and boiling of water when we put on the stove. So to make it more clear, we can watch the video of experiment that will run by one of my group members, and thank you.
Hello, my name is Kursi bin Kamal from group B8. Are going to do an experiment of second law of thermodynamics. Here are some apparatus that we need to perform an experiment. First, we need pot. Second, we need to use stopwatch. And we need stove to perform this experiment. Here are some material that we need to use in this experiment. First, can use tissue as a protection from our hand to receive amount of heat. Next, a cup of hot water, a cup of warm water, a cup of cold water, and the last one, a cup of ice. Okay, what we need to do is pour the water. Okay, next, turn on the stove. Boil the water until a bubble pop up from the water. Okay, when the water has been boiled, we put a cup of hot water. Record the timer until the water boil again. We pour with a cup of warm water. Now we pour 1 glass of cold water. Pour a cup of ice.